Oh my god, it's finally here! My Xbox finally here! Let's go get it. Where the hell's the light switch in this place? Let's turn this camera around. Boom! UPS finally arrived. Been waiting all day for you. Oh, there's my cat. What up? Right, let's take this bad boy in. Where is that? That is a big box. Let's put this here. There we go. It is here. Right, finally, unboxing. Reckon that'll do. That's a big enough knife. What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Hinch. Anyway, guys, my Xbox has finally arrived, the Series X. Let's get into this and see. Oh, nearly cut the box. That is a big knife. I shouldn't really be using that knife. Anyway, there's the packing receipt. It is looking amazing. Let's try and get that thing out. There it is, Xbox Series X. The box is actually taken a beating, but looks so sick. Can't wait to get into it. So let's just open it up and let's see what this thing's like. There's some sticky tabs just at the front. Let's pull that one off. There's one on this side as well. Let's get that off. Could have used my knife, to be fair. How is this thing opening up? Am I confused by a box? I think I am. There's two more tabs on the very top as well. Ah! Okay. Okay, I think it's opening up this way. Let's go for this. Oh my god, power your dreams. That actually looks so sick. Loads of foam in the top. I guess this is it. Actually, it's really heavy. But power your dreams. So let's see what else you get in the box. Loads of foam. Something about the controller. Foam. This box is huge. Instructions. Don't need those. Power cable. HDMI cable as well, which is really good. I think the HDMI 2.1. The new Xbox controller as well. That is looking sick. That actually feels so good in the hand. It's actually, yeah. Even on the back you can feel the grippy pads, but we'll talk more about that in a bit. A couple of batteries, Duracell batteries. Don't really need those because it's got some charging pads, but so sick. That is literally everything in that box out. Let's take a look at this. I'm so elegant when I open things up as well, if you can tell. I'll tell you what, first impressions is that actually looks really sick. So you can actually, let's get this out of the way. Nearly hit myself in the face. Oh, sticky tab stuck to the table. But what's cool this, you can have it down, landscape, or you can have it portrait as well. I'm definitely going to be having it portrait. I reckon that looks sick. It looks awesome on the top as well. You can kind of see the green on the inside, which looks awesome. Hope you guys can see that. The Xbox logo is the on button as well. I think that just looks sick. It's so simple. Yes, it looks like a fridge when it's portrait, but I love it. Let's go plug it in and let's see what happens when we take it upstairs. Okay, so we're up in my study now. I've got two screens. I've got the Xbox Series X on my right. I've got the Xbox One on my left. And we're going to see which one can load up quicker. So let's just go straight ahead. Push both the buttons off the controller. That's the way I always turn it on. Let's see which one's going to win. And as you can see, straight in on the Xbox Series X, man. That was quick. That was like instant pretty much. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to take both of these now to the home screen. I'm going to get FIFA up. Okay, so FIFA is ready to play on both of these. Okay, right now. Okay, so I've got both FIFAs up, ready to go. Let's just hit A on them. Let's see which one loads up quickest. And we're loading something on this screen. So the Xbox One is still struggling. The Series X, literally straight in. We've chosen our language already. This one is only just got to this screen. So we're like 10 seconds ahead. This one's taking me straight into the first time loading it up, so it's literally taking me into a previous game. But that is so much quicker. As you can see, FIFA is still struggling on the Xbox One. We haven't even loaded up into a game yet. To me, that is so much quicker. This footage of this game just looks amazing. So good. Like, as well, as soon as you go back to the home, you're straight back. As soon as you want to go back, straight back to FIFA where you left off. It's absolutely brilliant. Can't wait. Let's start playing this a little bit more. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this game. Anyway guys, that is enough today of the new Xbox Series X, but if you want to see any more videos using this machine, let me know.